Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the 58th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel, guys. So yeah, it's been long time. I have been on coming live. Yeah, uh, because every Sunday there was a match between for India right in Asia Cup. So, anyways, guys, I'm live here, and there are some announcements which I'm going to make today for the new batches and all. And once I'll done with the announcements, so you guys can ask your questions. So thank you for joining this live session, all of you. Right. So I'm going to wait for another 3-4 minutes so that let's see most of the audience should join this live session because it's been long time I have been not joining the live session, guys, and this is very important because I have to update. Candidates has been asking regarding the new live online batches for batch 5 and batch 6. So there are updates for batch 5 and batch 6 which I'm going to update now, right? So yeah, you guys can join this live session immediately so that can somebody confirm me that am I audible? Okay, thank you for confirming. Guys, please check your name, and I request everyone to maintain the right, so decorum of this community of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. Please make sure the questions which you are going to write has a proper meaning over here, because I'm not going to entertain any question which is uh, not for the batches, for the live online batches. Okay, so if you have genuine questions and all, you can ask. You know about me already, right? I don't do promotions and all, so much of promotions. So whatever it is there, it is there. Okay, and I am going with that only. uh 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I was talking some, there was some urgent call, so I was talking to that only. Okay, no issues. Yeah, fine, I'll take up your questions here. But before that, let me explain you regarding the new batches, the upcoming batches and all. You are already aware that the batches are already running, and the new upcoming batches are going to start from 9th of October, but there is a change in the date only. So that I need to do an announcement over here, guys. So yeah, I'm going to wait for another 1 minute. Let's see how many of you are joining, right? And if you have genuine question, you ask here, right? 1 second, guys. Okay. So yeah, guys, we are good now. Fine. So let me tell you, the batch 5, as I said, right? So batch 4 enrollment is already closed. It has been started on 4th of August and it is already going on. Okay. So because you guys have been asking, sir, right, what is the new batches which is started recently? So let me share my screen. uh, High technical KH. Okay, so Guys, let me know if you are able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Yeah. So guys, see, this is as I said, yeah, I have mentioned also. So our company is registered as a Abrosh Technology Services LLP. So our website is also abrosh.com officially. So now every detail, everything you are going to get it over here. Although earlier it was abhishekroshan.com, but it was a third party. Okay, and it is not a registered entity. So the registered entity is abrosh.com, right? So yes, so here you can see clearly that there are in the top, because you guys have been asking, sir, where to enroll, how to do all those things and all. So fine, let me tell you, the website is simple and easy. You no need to put so much of effort into this one. Okay, so if you wanted to do any kind of a internship and all, right, so we are inviting, this is for the freshers. Okay, this is not for the experienced professional. So you can just click on this one, right, and those who wanted to go for the internship program, they just fill it up this form, and our team will reach out to you for the internship program and all, right? Okay, now let's come back over here, and let's jump into the batches, right? So if you wanted to know, if you wanted to enroll in any of the upcoming batches, just click on this button. Okay, enroll batches. So once you click on this, see, it will directly redirect you to the upcoming batches. So you can see the batch 4, which is already closed. So there is no new candidates I'm onboarding to batch 4, because it started from 4th of August and it is running fine. So that slot is completely full. So what all slots are available for the upcoming batches? So one, it's going to be batch 5, another one, it's going to be batch 6, right? So you can enroll in any these two batches, but I would suggest, so this is our regular batches, and this is a new batch which I'm going to start for the UK candidates. But if you are also interested to join this batch, you are most welcome. Please go ahead and fill up the form. So if you wanted to enroll into batch 5, so see, you see all these batches, and you can also see, guys, whatever it is available, it's 100% genuine, and you can see the candidate testimonials also, those who have been got placed and selected, and they have sent those videos by themselves only, and I have uploaded over here. You guys can go through these videos. Okay, they are my candidates from batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, and there are so many videos which I'm going to upload over here, right? So as you know that I no need to prove anything, because I believe in data, and my content prove the result. Okay, so it's all about the content only. So the content is purely result oriented, right? So if you wish, if you wanted to join, you can join, because I don't teach so many candidates, only limited candidates I taught. Okay, so if you wanted to be part of any of this batch 5 or batch 6, you are most welcome to onboard. But remember, I used to take a basic screening before onboarding anybody to my live online batches. If you are interested, so once you will be get selected in the screening, then only I am going to onboard you to my live online batches. It is not what others are doing. Abhishek Roshan is not going to do the same thing. Okay, so because I believe that if you are coming to learn from me, so you should learn and you should get the result. Fine. If you click on this enroll 5, for example, I'm just telling you enroll now, so it will lead you to the page where the details, okay, of the new upcoming batches are available. As you can see clearly, this is a 6 months course, this is a online live classes, this is a online live classes. So the next question is coming to your mind, sir, if it is live online classes, so then if we have done the live online classes, after that, if I have to watch the video, or suppose I have not joined due to some reason, due to I am a working professional, I am working in night shift, I am working in day shift, or due to some personal emergency, or due to planned leaves, or I am sick and all. Okay, so for that I have clearly told that for them what I used to do it, guys. I used to record my videos, my live online videos, right? And I used to upload those videos in my own Google Drive. Okay, that is Abroad Technology Services Google Drive. As you can see for batch 4, like how it is uploaded, it not only included the videos, so the people or the candidates who have joined the batches, those only have this access, this Google Drive access. These are the recent batch 4 videos which you can see, which is already completed, right? And they also getting these assignments, they're also getting other documents, they're getting daily command sheets and all, they're getting scripts and all, they're getting the tools which is required to practice for them, right? So all those set of things they are going to get, right? And the access once they join these live online batches. Okay, so this is not only the live, because suppose you have joined the live online classes, so later on you should not be able to watch those videos. Yes, you should be, but you should be part of this live online. And how the classes conduct, so you can see exactly this is the batch 4, okay, video I have uploaded over here, so that you guys will understand the same way your batches is going to run. Okay, so you can understand how the day 0 starts and how it continues. These are the candidates from batch 4 only. And batch timing also I have mentioned. So the batch timing, it's going to be 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And if anybody from UK who wants to join this batch, so for them it is 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 BST timing, right? Most important, earlier this batch is supposed to start from 9th of October, but this is the announcement that it is going to start from 10th of November, because candidates have been requesting me, sir, like October month is full of festivals in India, right? We all are aware, like there are Diwali is there or some other festivals are there. So just keeping those things in mind, or even I have some planned leaves, because I am also, right, I have to go to my hometown for some festivals and also I'll be traveling, right? So after considering all those reasons, okay, I have changed the date from 9th of October to 10th of November. This is the announcement. So again, you have still time to enroll into this batch 5. Okay, again I am repeating, so the batch 5 is going to start from 10th of November 2025, and the batch timing is 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST. Those who are interested, please, they can click on this enroll now and they can just submit the form. This form is not going to ask you to pay anything. It just see, you see, this form is just leading to a Google Doc form. You just submit this form, and me or someone from my team will reach out to you, right? If you have any doubts or queries, first we'll sort out your queries, and then only you can onboard to the batches. This is the process. You have to follow the process if you wanted to part of my live online batches. Answer is very simple and easy, and the terms and conditions are very, so you should be reading all those terms and condition also, which once you make the payment, it is even, see, I can show you over here also. Even if you click on this pay now, so here you can read all these agreements are here, right? Without tick mark on this agreement or reading this agreement, this will not allow you to make the payment and all. Okay, so please read this agreement. And even we have the option, because you guys only requested us, ki, sir, we wanted to go with the installment, so that option also we have given to you. You can go with 3 installment, you can go with 2 installment, you can go with one full time payment also. Every option is available for you. Plus there is also one good news I can say, that if you are going to enroll into this batch, and if you are going to make a full payment, okay, so you are going to get a discount of 10%, right? For the installment there is no discount. This discount is only available for the full payment. So you can use this coupon code and you can get the discount of 10%. Okay, that is maximum. I have listened to every candidate and taking their feedbacks. As per that, these things are in place. in my website. Okay, so you guys can go ahead, you can enroll yourself in the batch 5, right? Again, I'll be repeating, guys, there are some process, okay, which you have to follow if you are coming to learn from me, if you are willing to learn from me and my content. If you are already aware of my content and the content is purely result oriented, it is not something which is for marketing purpose. And yes, it is, if you are going through this one, so the program is going to be 6 months. You have to go through each and terms and condition, right? And then you can onboard. Before that, remember, I am going to take a screening, normal screening. There are some questions which I used to ask to my candidates, and then only I used to onboard them to my batches. This is what my criteria is there, right? So I hope this is clear. And the most the announcement is, as I said, so it's going to be 10th of November rather than 9th of October. It's going to be 10th of November, the batch 5, and even the batch 6 is also going to start from 10th of November. So if you wish to join, you can go ahead and submit the form. If you are from India, if anybody is connecting from overseas, like if they are connecting from UAE, they are connecting from USA and all, you have to follow my terms and condition, and you have to fill the form, and we'll reach out to you. And if anybody is connecting from UK, so the form is there for the UK candidates, they can fill that form, and then they can join the batches, guys, right? And whatever it has been promised in the page, it is going to be as it is. There is no change in that one, as per the terms and condition. Fine. Now I'll take some questions here. uh, and one more thing, recently I am getting that people have been asking, sir, please provide the recorded videos. I have already told you that there is no recorded videos as a Abroad Technology Services LLP we are providing. And if you are not able to understand, so please read these terms and condition of section 8 and section 9 if you are not ready to understand, because I believe in process, I believe in terms and condition, and I'm a genuine person. Okay, so don't try to be over smart. I've seen few candidates have been doing that one. Okay, so yes, as it is, the terms and condition is going to be the same. There is no change in that one, right? And you can go through the terms and condition, and then you can come to me. Okay, so this is what and if you are genuinely, if you really wanted to, if you understand, if you like my content, right, or if you like the teaching style I am having, okay, or you understand from me, right, and if you really need a good future, if you really need a career growth in your right, in the upcoming years and all, then you can join my batches. And if you just coming here for just time pass, then don't come. Okay, straightforward, there is nothing, no problem. You can go anywhere, guys. Abhishek Roshan is not stopping you to go anywhere. Okay, I have seen people are coming from very big who are doing marketing, and they are charging 2 lakhs, they are charging 1 lakh, they are charging, candidates are there from me. Okay, and at the end of the day they are asking, see. So, and even I don't wanted to uh, challenge anybody. Okay, because as I said, right, I'm not here to compete with someone else, I'm here to compete with myself. Okay, so I wanted to see the same thing in my candidates also. If you are coming, so just come for learning and get the results, that's what. Okay, so Kiran, hi sir, your Linux interview question playlist is enough to crack 4 years Linux admin interview. So the playlist, you mean to say, in which is available in my channel itself? I don't think so, because there is two things. Okay, Kiran. Okay, see, learning. You guys are still not understanding. That is what we Indians are doing. I don't know what is, and now we are struggling. Now we are struggling. You have seen recently what I have no hesitation to say what other countries are doing to India, because 95% of the work, Seriously, I am telling you, you go and check, do a research, because I talk on the basis of research. You have heard, right, how the tariffs has been imposed to India simply for nothing, correct? Why? Because they don't need any Indian employees and all, right? So why those guys are doing this thing? Because 95% of the work what we are getting in India, those are purely service based, support based work. It's purely support work. We are giving services to whom? To someone else, correct? We are giving. And why this is happening? Because we always believe in shortcuts. We always believe in shortcuts. I congratulate Mr. Sridhar Vembu, okay, who is at least who is doing his putting his effort throughout these years. And even we being even I am also a startup, and this is what I am telling you guys, you cannot achieve something within a day, within a month also. Okay, you have to put your efforts, right? If you are thinking learning some question answer and you are going to get the job, that is what there, that's it, the end. So no, again you are wrong, guys. You guys are still not under, we are just thinking small happiness. You just wanted to get some that for shorter duration of happiness. We don't know what is coming, and that is that reason we all are, most of the work are support based and the service, it's purely service based, and we don't have our own products till date. In India we give services to others only. Why it is? Because we just wanted to learn some interview question and answer, and we just wanted to work for someone else. Why? Because we don't want to put effort into understanding why that is happening, correct? So, yes, see, question and answer is not the solution, right, Kiran? So, straightforward answer to you, I'm telling you. See, it's like that. How you are telling me, sir? If I have to give some example, I am going to learn last 1 year or 2 year questions which has been asked in the previous exam. Arey, what you guys are doing? Where you are taking? This is why you are not strong in technical, and we are struggling to build something, because you are only focusing on the interview question and answer. Are you, if interview question and answer can give you the gateway to crack an interview, but what about working inside an environment? And there you are struggling. And when they are just doing the layoffs and all, they are telling these employees are underperforming. Why you are giving somebody a option to just lay off you? Why? Because we only wanted to go, we need very shortcuts. We don't wanted to put our head into why that is happening behind that one, root cause analysis. How that root cause analysis is going to work? Until unless you don't have the proper understanding of the topic, or how the real troubleshooting, how you will come to know the troubleshooting and all? You are not able to do SSH. You are telling, okay, you give some three answers questions, the questions will be so. And you should be knowing also how to troubleshoot, right? Why that SSHD service is not working, right? Whether the port is listening, or port 22 or not, right? Whether the firewall is that SSH service is added to the firewall or not. Guys, you are still in the wrong direction. Seriously, I am telling you, you guys are still in the wrong direction, and this is that reason we are here. India is here. But I am forcing, and even if I am also running this company, so my focus is to build the product. Wha- the day when we start building our own product, India, nobody can touch India. We don't have a dependency with any other country. Let whatever they wanted to put, any whatever, I don't want to take anybody name over here. You know who I am talking about. Why that situation came? Because we are just service oriented, and we only focus, let's give some services, let get some job, right? If you really learn something properly, take the, and this is that reason also I don't teach directly DevOps. I told you, right? that you have to go through. There is a process, you have to learn all those things. Then only going forward, you will be strong, right? You don't. Problem with us na, we always find shortcuts, right? So, and shortcut is not the solutions. Okay. So my answer, see, you can crack an interview, but the problem is again, Kiran, if he's going to ask you something else, how you are going to troubleshoot and all, if you don't know. And that is what the troubleshooting, each and every, how the real time troubleshooting happens and all. On the basis of that only I have uploaded those questions. Those are my real time troubleshootings I have uploaded over there. Start putting effort into the R&D side, start learning things really, then only you can become a good resource for a company, and your career will also go in the right direction, guys. Don't just float on the top of the water. Take a deep dive. Just understand how deep is that sea. Learn properly. Skills are not something which you can learn within a day, within a month. And it's not only at all about your question cracking an interview. It's way beyond that. What if happen if the questions will be, if the same question will be in a different way they are going to ask you? Then you'll say, sir, in your playlist that question is not. Are boss, what you are talking about? You can touch your ear like this and you can touch your ear like this also, right? Where we are heading, it's your wish. Okay, correct. So I have given you the answer in a properly. Okay, so I don't know. uh, Hi, your name is coming as a dinosaur. Okay, please make sure, guys, you just correct your name and all. Okay, so just write it down your name. I said very clearly. Also, please mention what it's showing here. I can read that only. Okay, so yes, please correct your name. Um Hemant, sir, as a Linux administrator with 4 years of experience, how much package should I ask in my next job? I am currently getting 3 LPA. One second, how much you are telling? 4 years, right, Hemant? Right, and how much package should I ask for in my next job? I'm currently getting 3 LPA. See, that is good thing, Hemant. 3 LPA you are getting, and you are having 4 years of experience. So there are multiple factors, Hemant. First of all, I'll tell you how was your interview went well or not. Okay, if your interview, because negotiation is something different what we give in interview and all. HR negotiation, we call this as a HR negotiation. Okay, so if you are currently on 3 LPA, right, it doesn't matter, matter is your experience. Okay, and if your interview went well, very well and all, so it's always 3x. Always remember 3x. Okay, so your experience into 3x, always try to do this thing calculation, or you can do 2.5x also. This is how the calculation happened. Plus there is also one trick I am going to tell you guys today, and which I used to explain to my live online. See, I used to give so many tips during my live online batches. Okay, so you have to ask the HR what is the project, what is the budget for this project. Okay, again listen carefully. So if you are going to negotiate, okay, so I have told you you will be expecting somewhere around like 12 lakhs or something, right, Hemant? And if you have some more skills added to the Linux, as I said, there is skills recently. One of my candidate, I have put that video also. There are so many videos which I'm going to upload soon. Okay, in my channel itself also, the candidates who has been selected, okay, and they have sent their videos, right? So yes, so answer to your question, straightforward, Hemant, it's going to be somewhere around 12 lakhs or something it will be. So you should be expecting this one, but they are not going to give you simply. Okay, so you have to ask this question to her or him, that what is the budget for this project. Okay, if you have really, see, don't get scared ultimately. Okay, so HR job is only to make sure that how they can save money for the company. This is why they are human resources, okay, and this is why they are there. Company used to hire them for this purpose only, okay. But if you are a technical, see, ultimately every career level, because see, if you are at a 4 years of experience, so you can call that as a career level. Normally career level 9, career level 8. I'm just giving you an example, like Accenture has career level 8 or 9 and 10 and 11, like that, okay. Accenture has a career level of 7 and all. So the higher means, if you are going towards more and more higher position, so the career level will be like CL6, CL7, and like that, right? So for you also, if for that particular career level, if the budget has been allocated 12 lakhs, right, and the HR is offering you somewhere around like 7 lakhs, she is telling that, no, Hemant, you have to take this, we can offer you maximum 7 lakhs. Then you have to ask her that what is the budget for this project. That is your right. You can ask for this career level, because every career level company allocates some budget, okay, and that budget for every resources, right? So if that budget, they have to tell you, okay. If the budget is somewhere in around 12, so you can mention, I'm okay with the 12, okay. You can mention 12 only. What is the budget? I wanted to know that one. On the basis of that, you can negotiate with her. Don't say something directly from your side. That's what we used to do. I've seen, okay. Even we get scared. Are we are not, are what, you are not going to get the job. Anyways, what they are going to do is, like, if suppose they have to hire two resources for the same career level, and if you are telling, because in company, nobody can ask anyone or your employee or your colleague, that what is your salary and all. Nobody tells you, right? So at the time of negotiation, so one at the same career level, I have seen candidates, I have seen my colleagues and all, and I have seen so many resources for the same career level. If one person is getting 10 lakhs, the other person is getting 14 lakhs. Why? Because they have been negotiated well with the HR, correct? So it's negotiation skills. You have to ask these questions. For why you are afraid to ask these questions, which is your right? You can ask. Are they going to, so you are thinking that if I'll ask this question, so she's not going to hire me. If you are technically sound, okay, if your skills are matching with the job description and you have qualified for the interview, if the team is ready to take you, anyhow they are going to take you. You don't worry. They have to take you. That technical panel has nothing to do with the salary negotiation. The salary negotiation is the part of the HR, and you have to learn these skill sets. This is also the skill sets, okay, how you negotiate with someone, correct? So please negotiate smartly, okay, and ask that what is the budget for this particular project, or what is the budget for my role. You can ask these questions. They will tell you, and you can go, yes, I can go with the same one. Answer is simple. Fine. I hope this gives you the answer, Hemant. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Kiran got it, sir. Thank you. Suman Singh, hi, Suman. Okay. And guys, again, I'm repeating. Let me put the link of this abrosh.com. Uh, Yeah, so I'm those who wanted to enroll in batches, in the upcoming batches, so they can click direct, sir. What is your current packages on? So see, direct. I'm not working any now. I'm not working anymore. First of all, let me tell you, okay, and I'm purely running my startup now. So I have a, because I'm passionate about teaching. So you guys know, this is why I have started the channel since very long. I have been running this channel since very long. Okay, and at parallelly, I used to do the teaching and all from past 7 to 8 years, and now we have registered as a Bros Technology Services LLP. So I have a product division also, so where we are building our products. If you wanted to know more about products and all, so for that, as I said, right, in India, people are not focusing, we all are service oriented and all. One second, guys. I'll show you direct just answer to your question. Okay, so let me know if you guys are able to see my. Okay, see, this is one of our product direct. Okay, so here I am trying to this is one product which I am building from past 3 years, and now it is going to be mature. Okay, and in this one I am going to provide all the like, you have different portals for job search and all, where what they are doing, you have to apply in the same portal. Okay, so what we are doing, basically we are providing the jobs, hand-picked jobs only for the candidates. Like, suppose if you wanted to, if you check in Bangalore, right, so what all current jobs are there in Bangalore, if you can click on here, right, you can see this, like L3 support, fusion, data foundation and all, right, architect, AWS and all. If you click on any Linux test engineer at IBM and all, right, so we handpick these jobs only for our candidates, right, and we are putting over here. So you no need to rush. Okay, or you no need to just think that okay, where to apply, how to apply, right. So you just need to click on this one and it will redirect you to the exact portal, okay, of the IBM, right. There is nothing intermediate or what others are doing. You just click here and it will show you it is applied. But this is not the case, right, this is not the case. The actual thing is, whenever you have to apply for a job, so you have to follow the process of that company, right. So same way, so ultimately you have to apply, right, and your resume has to be, your data has to be uploaded in the company portal. Then only they will come to know that you have been applied, and this is the right way to do it. This is the right way to do it, and this is why we are putting all those handpicked jobs over here for the freshers, for the experience. Also, what is going on in this IT industry, the latest news and all, that is also you can make yourself up to date. So you can go through all these topics, and we are working on this part also, where we'll be providing the Linux interview question and answer, right, and the mock interview, the career counseling, and the resume building. These are the paid services. Okay, very honestly, because this is a product, and I am, my focus is my product, purely on product. As I said, we don't focus on the product. No, we have to start focusing on the product, right, where we can give jobs to our own people. Okay, that is what even I'm urging all the entrepreneurs or the startups, they should be focusing. So I have a two division. One is my edtech division, where I am taking the classes and all, right, and when I'm making sure that the skills they should get, okay, the right set of skills and the right path they should get, so that they can get maximum benefit out of it. Okay, and at the same time I have a edtech division also, where we are building our products direct. Okay, and there is two uh, two three products all also I am having. Okay, so one is this one also, you see, for sports 360 live. This is also our product. Okay, where you can get the latest update of the sports and all. So yeah, my developers and me are working days and night. So you just think that how much effort I am putting only for this. So make sure I'm not only just teaching, right, right. So my focus is not only just to teach my people, okay, but also to make sure they should get the job, okay, in my own company going forward. That is what my aim is. Okay, so I hope you get your answer, right. So Sumant Singh sir, please make more videos on interview, like use cases and troubleshooting. So Sumant, answer to your question is yes, we are more and more candidates. It depends upon candidate. Okay, so normally if candidate, see, you cannot publish simply go ahead and anything in the YouTube. So you have to read the YouTube terms and conditions. So this is why you guys are always lacking reading terms and condition. Okay, where I can see nobody is reading policies and all are there. So if somebody will not give me consent to upload their videos in my channel, right, how can I upload those videos and all, right. But at the same time, because those who have been given their consent, I have uploaded already their videos. So if people, if candidates will allow me, that if they are okay, because I see, I am not like others who will simply just overrule something and put those videos without taking the consent of any of the candidate, right? So because that is not a ethical behavior, right? And you have to follow the terms and condition, right? And if they are agree, so going forward, so if they are okay to publish their video in YouTube channel, right, so I'll be definitely publishing those videos. I have those videos, but I cannot simply go ahead and publish, right? Because I don't have their consent, right? So once I have their consent, then only I can publish. Answer to your question, Suman Singh. Okay, so Kiran sir, sir, according to you, which is one career, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, SRE engineer? I am confused. Which path should I? Again, you are confused. Okay, right question, Kiran. See, I said, right, if you are running towards the role, again, one day I have explained the same thing. If you are running towards the role, you are not going to reach anywhere. You are not going to reach anywhere. Now I'm going to upload one video. Okay, recently from my batch 3, I have taken a career counseling where candidate has given me the consent to upload the video in the YouTube where I'm explaining the same thing. Okay, so there also she is also asking the same question. What she is asking, she is telling, sir, which role should I go for? Which role should I go for? Whether I should. So I said, I have explained her all the rules. Okay, let's go role by role only what you said. Okay, so there are hundred of roles. If you go, for example, let me explain you here only, Kiran. Okay, let me know if you are able to see my screen. But again, it's going to be due to okay, anyways, it is fine. But I'm not promoting anything here, right? So just to show you, okay, just see here. If you guys are able to see my screen, are you guys able to see my screen? Okay, Kiran, just see here. If I go to see, all of you know that most of us go to this portal and all. So I'm just searching a job over here, Kiran. Just say, like, suppose I'm searching a Linux administration job. For example, I'm just telling you Linux admin job and all. Okay, I'm just searching. Just see what I wanted to convey over here, right? You go, how many jobs are available? Almost 94,640 jobs are available. Okay, simply see. Okay, 8 to 13 years of experience. If you see in work from home, right, or sorry, work from office, remote location, hybrid and all, and you can see Bengaluru or in other cities and all, it different wise if you see the location wise and all. But the point here is, if you go inside this one, so don't run towards the role. This is basically a role. Linux administrator is a role, site reliability engineer is a role basically, and you can call it as a platform engineer is a role and all. But when you go and see this, the skills, what is the required skills is required: strong hands-on experience on Linux, RHEL, CentOS, proficiency in Ansible and shell scripting. Again, so experience in observability tools like Elk and Prometheus, Grafana. These all are part of my classes. These all are part of my real 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So familiarity with patching, workflow, vulnerability reduction and all I used to explain in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. Now again, I am going to do one more thing over here. So as per you only, let's make a change into this one, and I am going to make it as a site reliability engineer. Okay, search, right? 6 to 11 years of experience. You can take it any company here. I'm just randomly taking, guys. There is nothing. This Fi itself is a company. Fi is a load balancer also, and they used to take it and all, right? You can see from here, and 6 to 8 take Mahindra and all. For example, if you go here, right, let's try to read these skill sets and all. Okay, see, they have given the, sometimes they will give the email IDs also, right? See, It's almost matches. See, should have experience in monitoring, and when it's come to monitoring, again Linux is involved, right? Observability tool, again Grafana and Splunk is there, Dynatrace is there, right? And you can see infrastructure as a code, again Ansible is here, right? You can see the pipeline is also coming over here, GitHub is there, right? Linux is there, Python or Bash is there, shell scripting, right? So guys, what I wanted, even Docker is there, right? So the point is, again, you guys are running towards the role, but you are not talking about what are the common skill sets required in for all these roles, right? So when you make a food, right, so I'll tell you, you make any item, whether a dry item, for example, in your home, right? So what we see normally, the normal ingredient in our home, the the dishes will be different, right? But the end of the day, you have to put oil only, you have to put turmeric also, you have to put red chili only, you have to put cumin powder only, you have to put right, coriander powder only, right? You have to put all the same ingredient and only, but in a different way. So it's the same way. If you talk about a role, don't get confused with the role, just focus on the skill sets required for all these roles. That is what from day one only I'm telling you. All these role, whether site reliability engineer or a Linux administrator, Linux automation engineer, cloud engineer, cloud automation engineer, platform engineer, system integration specialist, DevOps engineer, you take 100 of the roles, okay? But when you go and read the skill sets required for all these roles, that will be Linux only, that will be shell scripting only, that will be your cloud only, that will be your database only, and that will be your DevOps tools only at the end of the day. So we are running towards the, see, there are more, and in security there are so many roles are there. And this is why I said this is not a one day learning. So this is why I used to take it this 6 months training, guys, where I am teaching complete Linux, where I am teaching complete shell scripting for automation. Because with Linux by default shell scripting is coming, which is easier for you to learn once you learn Linux, okay? And then finally I am jumping into the AWS cloud. If you learn any of this cloud, you will be able to work in Azure cloud also, you should be able to work in your Google cloud also. And then finally in DevOps, okay, others, see, for DevOps only people are charging 30K 40K, and don't know how much they are charging. But it's only Abhishek Roshan who is teaching everything. After completing these many things, uh, I'm teaching your Splunk also, I'm teaching Grafana also, right? Docker is also there, Kubernetes is also there, GitHub is also there, and your GitHub action is also there, Terraform is also there. Who is doing this? I can open challenge, bring someone who is teaching all this stuff, okay? Only in, you can go and check the course fee with 100%, with there is nothing, with all real time projects, correct? So it's up to you. I have make you understand how. So don't run towards the roles, run towards the skill sets, okay, which is required for all these roles. I hope it is clear for you, right? So use cases and troubleshooting, Sumant Singh. Sumant, you have to join my live online batches. So without joining live online batches, should I teach all the troubleshooting over here only? Huh? Join the batches, okay? Sir, how much we pay to join the internship and all? For internship and all, first you fill the form, okay? Our team will reach out to you, okay? uh, Suman Singh got it. Thanks for the answer, Sarji. Yes. Okay. So, guys, again, I am repeating those who wanted to join the live online batches of batch 5 or even batch 6 also. Okay. So, they can directly go to my portal, abrosh.com. This is the official portal. Please read all terms and condition. This is my request to all of you, because you guys don't read terms and condition. And now this is that reason, in receipt also you are going to get all the terms and condition if you once make the payment and all. Okay, so yeah, so please go here, right? And I put a lot of effort to making this content, guys. Okay, and I put lot of effort in my classes also. And most important is that before onboarding to my classes, you have to go through a basic screening, because I don't take more than 50 candidates in one batch, right? And that is also too much. Okay, because I take the full ownership of my candidates and their, right? So those whoever is going to onboard to my batch, they have to go through a basic screening which I'm going to take for them. And then finally they can onboard to the batches, and they have to agree with all my terms and conditions. Anyways, you have to agree, without that you cannot make the payment. Okay, so yes, finally I think we are good. And batch 5 is now 10th of November, right? Due to festival seasons and all. And soon I'm going to make a short video also, and I'm going to upload in my channel itself, that you guys can go through that. For the awareness for everybody, that now the batch is supposed to start from 9th of October. Now it is going to start from 10th of November. Okay, so that makes sense for everybody. And at the same time, I request everybody, I put so much of effort, and it's been, right, for my channel, for making those videos and all, right, every day. So please go ahead and subscribe the channel if you think the content is valuable for you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please go ahead and subscribe the channel. Your support is much more needed, right? So that's what I wanted to see, because most of you are not subscribing, you guys are only watching. So it's your wish again, because you cannot clap with one hand. So I need your support, guys. Go ahead and subscribe the channel, those who have still not subscribed the channel. Okay, if you see, if you feel the content is result oriented, then go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. We and I have covered most of the thing. I have taken all the questions and all, right? And if you have still some questions, right, so you can send your doubts and queries also to this email ID, support at the rate of abrosh, okay, .com. This is the official, right, email ID of my company, right, which is registered also. So fine, guys. And one second. Okay. And if you're really willing to learn from me, then come and join the batches, live online batches. I said very clearly. Okay, and also I told you that how you are going to get once the live online batches finish, where the video is going to upload, right? And you'll get the access for how many years and all that, everything is written over there. Okay, and you can go through that one. Okay, that's it, guys. I think I'm done for today. So let's end up this live session here only. Thank you for staying connected with me. Let's connect again on next Sunday, or mostly in between I'll try to connect with you for the live session. Till then, just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind. And do subscribe the channel. Okay.